This is the first unit of the building and carpentry pre-apprenticeship course. And so the first couple of activities are just a little bit, they might not feel very mathematical, but it's just about making sure we've got the skills to be able to read the questions and work with them. So the first activity asks you to have a look at the passage and identify any of the words that were incorrectly spelt. So I want you to check what you have done and gone through. You might have correctly identified some of them. If you didn't get all of them, that's not a problem. This isn't a test. This is an opportunity to learn and to check. And so what you'll see is that we had a range of incorrect words and then some correct words, and that's how we will spell them. Now, this language is useful because these are the types of words we're going to be using in our workbook. So if we can make sure we know how to spell them, it's going to just help when we're trying to get your questions answered, okay? So then we move on to Unit 2, which is just a quick skill in alphabeticizing. It's a hard word to say. Basically just asking us to again engage with some of our words that we're going to use as part of our building and carpentry skills. So we've got things like nail gun, generator, ladder, rafters, hammer drill bits, chisel, measuring tape, overalls, compressor, hammer, saw, drop saw, and angle grinder. All they want us to do is to go through and put them in alphabetical order. So to do that, we start with A, then B, etc. Just remember you do the first letter first, and then, for example, you can see here chisel goes before compressor because it's a CH, and then a CO. So you look at the second letter afterwards. So you can check your answers as you go along with the words to make sure that you've put them in the right order. And then once that's done, move on to activity 3. Cool, so Unit 3 is a short reading exercise. Your favourite, I know, but at least it's not too long. Basically, it is giving us some context of the type of work that carpenters do. So we're getting things about what time he has to get to work, what time he will finish, the types of jobs that they're doing, how to be safe, and then what their day looked like. Now, in this day, there's a few things that happen, and then there's some questions for us. So the first question is about why rain would cause problems. So hopefully we knew that rain in an outdoor site would make it unsafe. Question 2 was about some tools and equipment. So finding those in the text and listing them. Joe had to stop work. Again, you should be able to check your answer because he had a pain. He wanted to finish work at 3:15, but because of the rain, they had to finish early. The working day that they wanted to do was 7.5 hours. So to work that out, we count from when they started to when they finished. And that's the end of our working out.